Tell me. Caption this. Watch this big dirty thinking man. Have a moment that the sun has changed the tire while him stand up over and a look. I tell you this man can't change. You see where the world I go to? You see what the world is going to? You see why enough of them woman left them? Watch him gone on that cool shade. Him gone on that cool shade. Watch her back, watch her up here. Watch she. She has class, she can't buy her back juice. She pay a fare today. I watch him. Now this is what I call a blood clot movie. A movie that is worth paid to watch. Blood clot, this is where the world I got to. Boy, this man is a real dirty blood clot man. You see him black? You see him? Watch him. Watch it, yeah, watch him. Watch she, you know what that cloth is. Beaver somebody, she hot. She wipe the sweat, she hot. She hot. Watch him. Blood clot, that man is ugly though. You see if you turn off the light pan the man you can't find him. If night come in one dark blood clot alley and stand up in there you can't find him. The only way you see him when him skin him teeth, that if it clean. Dirty man. Dirty sodomite man. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Why the man wants to smile man lick him them dirty blood clot. You think like a gorilla? All him do, I push something underneath the tire, sorry underneath the car, wind it up and wind it down back and she screw them off and put them back the tire. Why? I them man the woman them want, I them sleep with. I them sleep with. And I them call man. Dirty blood clot man. Watch him. See that the Rasta pick up the rake. You have to look back twice and I wonder how I go on. Gorilla man. Lad. Dirty man.